Japan iPhone. .1 JA serial number 7G5MY. Let's see. So we put on the silent. This is an iPhone 6 from Japan. I already fixed the camera shutter sound by here. I changed the country code, the model to the Malaysia, the place I live. I can change to US, Singapore, whatever country I need. The serial number is G5MY. Now we check the speaker. Speaker is fine. Okay, we try to go to camera. Now the phone is not in silent mode. Test, take a picture. Can you hear the shutter sound? Okay, now we silent the phone. Ringer off. So no shutter sound anymore. Okay, done. How did I do it? The secret is these kind of tools. Okay, I take out your chip, your memory chip, and put into this kind of tool. Then use the software. From here you can see the area code. This is US. I will change it to the other country. As long as it's not Korea, Japan, then you won't have any camera shutter sound when the phone is in silent mode. So this is only the trick.
Way up the hero